Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones Bowers and Wilkins. And the first one is classic, to use adapter and USB-C cable, so just connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable to USB-C port on your charging case. And we can see LED light here, so it means that it's charging. Next, you can use your phone. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone didn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to your headphones. And we can also see LED light, so it means that it's charging. Cool. Now, also these headphones support wireless charging, so just put it to the charging station, but it's a good place, and we can see LED light here, so it means that it's charging. And also it supports reverse wireless charging from the phone, so just you should enable it and just put your headphones to the phone, but it's a good place. Yeah, right here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.